Look at that. Tell everybody how amazing today is at Celebs. That our birds, as you see, are
flying in and out.
In and out. Look at Celebs. Whoa, y'all see this? This is live. This is no gimmick. This is no AI. This is real. This home or lodge has always been a bird sanctuary. Look at here, folks. And so this is where they come every year. We get the Cardinals, the Orioles, the Blue Jays. Everyone comes to see Celebs. Look at here, folks. This is what's happening.